Which one would you like for me to work on?
Anywhere you're most comfortable.
Okay, which one's the best to get in the camera? Right here?
Probably on the
Yeah, the one right in front of you right now.
Let me get some more white going on here and then Watertown. I feel like the white needs to be a little runnier.
Okay, is the white ready?
I'll just mix it up real quick and then you'll be.
I wanted to do some swiping too, so that's why I just took a paper towel and got it wet. Thank you.
And brush.
I don't need a brush, honey.
Okay.
I don't do brushes to...
Here, I see.
I do that with my resin too. It's called playing in your paint. Now the colors. What's mixed in the colors?
I had a little bit of a break from there, but
Okay.
Okay. I can let it still in. We're fine.
Okay. Move it up to the edge. It's called greasing the pan, even though this is acrylic and not...
Grease.
Alright, so Charlotte, any questions at all? Okay, thank you.
What do you guys do with these after they dry?
We'll probably do an Instagram post of them and maybe try to put them on display for a little while, but a lot of times we
Is
try
there a
to
way you
reuse.
can tag me in the post on mine?
You just have to follow our Instagram.
Okay. I need the white back. I need to put a swipe color down. I don't know if I've got enough paint there to go all the way to the edge. There is lumps in there.
Did you want to try out one of these?
I don't know.
Think about it. Think about it.
Can you do me a favor? Can you take one glove, blow it up like a balloon and tie it?
Sure.
Doesn't have to be completely full of water. I don't use straws, by the way.
Okay.
I've learned how to keep the girls out of it.
Yeah.
That's what we say. Not enough paint to really get a tilt.
Yeah, so we're using the heat gun and those straws today. That's why
That's the problem I always have when I blow up my gloves. That's why I bought balloons at the Dollar Tree.
So,
Okay, I'm gonna do some balloon
are you ready
rolls
to
a
go,
la how
Susan?
Heather made our. That's okay. That was meant to happen. I can't get the pressure on it. Let me see if I can do it this way.
These fit really nice.
they slip on pretty nicely.
Well, getting some really good cells of lacing with the white right there.
I want to protect my thumb and I have to paint this afternoon.
Oh,
I was just
yeah.
thinking this fits, and so maybe that'll save.
I think we might have some finger cuts too if you want. I mean, like in the brush.
No,
on
it's okay. Yeah, I'm terrified of paper cuts, and I went.
That's the nightmare.
I stopped, but it did go through 4 layers of nail polish, and it might have gone through part
Oh
of the
my
nail.
god, at least it was the thumbnail and not the.
Gotta
other
hold
one.
it because it's on 2
Well,
cups and it's very
No,
wobbly.
it's down here, and I'm keeping it protected.
Would you want to try this out?
Yeah, what is this?
So we're doing the Dutch paint pouring method. So this is actually, we have these acrylic paints that have been thinned down 10 to 1 with a pouring medium. So it's going to make the paints move a lot on the canvas.
I've seen this stuff on the internet and stuff.
So yeah, we're going to make sort of, we're going to grease this canvas down with a little white paint, make a couple of piles of paint, and then we're going to manipulate them using a heat gun and using straws, blowing the air through.
Okay, Stu, you give me your honest opinion. Does it need
there,
more balloon
No,
smashes?
I personally don't care to overwork it, so I don't overwork things, but you may like to.
Yeah, I'm one of those. I don't know when to walk away.
Okay. Certainly getting some interesting effects.
That's called a balloon smash. I was trying to do a balloon roll, but I couldn't get the pressure on it like Heather Madar does, so I'm just doing balloon smashes.
All right, get your gloves on, so this is going to be a messy one.
There's another way you can do a balloon smash too.
Direct application of
I don't know if you're
pigment.
gonna do your own. I think you can help. You can help me. You guys can work together. But okay, we'll see. You can help me and me.
All right, so the first step is what we're going to do is we're going to get a thin layer of white paint on the canvases, just spread evenly, and that's just going to get